Hazrat Ali described about depression as Al-Hammu Nisful Haram. Grief is half old age. He said, suffering and sorrows end when they reach a point. Hence, a wise person is patient in times of trouble, so that trouble may end in its own time. He who lives longer will bear the shocks and suffering of his loved ones more. He mentioned Iza'atul fursati ghussatun. Missing an opportunity is a cause of grief. Man kassara fil amali butuliya bilham. He who is negligent in action suffers from grief and sorrow. He mentioned Aqdi al qada wal alami tarda abada. Hide the pain and trouble, otherwise you can never be happy. In the tanahi shiddati takunul farjatu. When the hardness reaches the extreme, then relaxation is achieved. About depression, Hazrat Ali further said, Man azzama sigar al-masaibi batalahu Allah bi kibariha. Whoever gives great importance to little trouble, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will cause him to suffer great trouble. About depressed person, Hazrat Ali said that such person should wash his head and eat pudding.